Hi, my name is Lexie. I'm an LMA over at Waterloo, and I'm really excited to share with you guys that we got to tour some of the finished units. Today we're going to check out my favorite one, the Hoxton. Come follow me. This is the entryway, so you have your electronic fob lock as well as your deadbolt. And I love that you're entering this space through a hallway rather than a living room or kitchen area. So you have space here to keep that clutter away with like a shoe rack or even a credenza. So let's go check out the rest of the apartment. This is one of our bedrooms in the Hoxton. What I love about this unit and all the units in the Hoxton are the huge windows that bring so much light into the room. You also have the beautiful floors, plenty of outlets, and each room is going to come with a full-size bed as well as a desk and desk chair. So each bedroom is going to have a built-in closet, and what's awesome about these closets is that there's actually space to fit things. And then each bedroom is going to have its own private bath, and what makes this room special is that this bathroom is attached. In each bathroom in the Hoxton, you're going to have these beautiful countertops and plenty of storage underneath. And you're also going to have these spacious standing showers with beautiful tile finishes. So down the hallway, you're going to have bedrooms on this side and your bathrooms right across the hall. What I love about the hallway is that there's plenty of wall space to decorate it and really make the space your own. And right in the middle of the apartment, convenient for everyone, is your full-size washer and dryer that's Wi-Fi compatible. Past the washer and dryer, you're gonna have your rest of your bedrooms and bathrooms, and then it opens up to my absolute favorite part of the Hoxton, the kitchen and living space. You have huge windows in here that bring in so much natural light, and they come with shades so you can have as much or as little light as you want. So here you'll have your 65-inch smart TV mounted with your entertainment stand right below. Then you'll have plenty of seating in here for you and all of your roommates. You also have plenty of outlets throughout the entire unit, which is super convenient. And then in the kitchen, you have these beautiful quartz countertops, and you have your full-size fridge and freezer that comes with a water filter, so you don't have to worry about Britta's taking up a bunch of space. I am obsessed with the amount of storage in this kitchen. You have a full-size pantry for all your snacks and plenty of storage for everything else. You have the rest of your stainless steel appliances right here in this gorgeous backsplash. But my favorite part about the kitchen is that you get to hide your trash can to keep the overall clean aesthetic of the apartment. What's really special about this unit is the openness of the kitchen and living space. You never have to miss out on a moment with your roomies. Thanks for touring the Hoxton with me today. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come visit me in the leasing office. And remember, be the best you at Waterloo.